It was a long trek. All the little needle necks in their unicorn costumes and freaking whatever, keeping the guards company while I was going through the darkness. But I made it. I made it, you guys. You won't believe what I saw. But I came back with something. I came back with something. I came back with proof. I made it, you guys. Let me show you what I got. What does that look like? That's what I came back with. I came back with proof. Jack came back with the only proof. There was thousands of these. So I grabbed one, put it in my jacket, and creeped out. But it's the lone wolf, Jack, that made it in and came out with the alien in a jar. And that's pretty freaking awesome. I'm gonna go drink some brews.